I want to introduce a software completely developed by myself. This is the home page. You can select the language here, Chinese or English, as you like. This is the short description about the product. Different features listed here. Let's download one for a try. Some tips here for installation. Let's check them. It's an installation tutorial for you, shows how to install the package step by step. Let's back to the download page. You can choose the installation package or the portable package. I take Windows 10 installation package as an example. I have downloaded it here and zip the files. Check the README. Also a short tutorial. You can create new session in this dialog. Different type session list here you can create. Different type with actual different porting. Also different input. SSH, you can set a post jump. This post jump can let you through post jump server or set the server hidden in a complex network. Also, you can set a policy like socket 4A or socket 5 through the post server, connect the remote server. SFTP assistant enabled and mute. When you connect the servers, are to open the SFTP assistant. Also, you can open the local session. Or share report different total. You can custom the port rate It's very useful for some kinds of script with high put rate. You can manage the session here and filter it. Let's check the performance. The performance this command will generate 1 million lines here. It finished the command very fast, right? 1 million lines. Also, you can see the information here. This command will list all the files on remote server. Very fast, right? This is my developer server. You can find the item. You can see here it reacts very quickly, and the match item spreads trash here. Yes, see, react very quickly. You can push from here and click the button, and it will locate the match one, net one, also net, right? Also, you can drag to here and up position, right? Also, you can upload file in this directory. Close the SFTP assistant. Just drag file here. It offers two-way SFTP assistant or JIT modem. Right. Choose SFTP. It will ask to open the SFTP panel and upload it. Right. Very convenient, right? This optimization. Let's open it in a dependent in a separate tab. You can move them into different directory. Right? Upload them again. You can modify the permission, right? Also, you can delete them all. Right? I often sync my files to mobile phone. My mobile phone is Android system. It offers the FTP server for me to connect and manage the file on my phone. I often sync my files here. breakpoint zeros is a very convenient approach for me to sync file. Right. It offers similar functions like SFTP. If you want to explore more function features, you can check the version comparison on homepage on official website. If you have any question or issue or suggestions, you can contact me in this page, WhatsApp or WeChat, or GitHub, or email, as you like. Thank you very much.